Bruh.
Yeah, so this is my squeaky iPhone 14 Pro Max. Obviously it's fake, and this thing is a massive pile of garbage, as you can see. And I'm curious to know if you could mobile game on this hunk of trash. So, in this video, that's exactly what we're gonna do. We are gonna try to play some of the hottest mobile games right now. We are gonna see if it could run Call of Duty, Minecraft, Freefire, PUBG, some emulators, Roblox, and a few others in no specific order. You might be asking, Johnzoid, why did you buy this fake iPhone? I mean, I knew it would be fake. Did I know it would be this fake? I don't know. At the checkout on eBay, when it asked me which model number I wanted, and the only option was not iPhone, it made me want this phone even more, just to see how bad it was. And it's the worst fake iPhone I've ever seen in my life. I removed the back glass to get to the camera because I was suspicious of the camera quality, and yeah, 2 of the cameras are fake. This is the real one here. It's atrociously wonderful. I did make a full video review of it. If you want to see it, it's linked in the description. But let's get started with what you're here for, and that is to see if I could mobile game on this pile of trash. We're gonna start with Roblox first. I think. Possibly.
2,000 years later.
Oh wow, Roblox launched, to my surprise, and we're able to browse games. I don't play a lot of Roblox. I'm unsure if this thing can run any of these games. But heck with it, I want to play Roblox Call of Duty, so we're going to launch this thing and see if it even works. Okay, I skipped the loading times, but eventually it launched, and it appears to be fairly responsive. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed that it's even running. Nice. So we're in Nuketown. I don't know how score is kept or if there's rounds, but we're getting into some gunfire, and I feel like I'm trying to run in a dream. But I did just get a kill, so we're doing okay. Yeah, never mind. This is getting. Well, I feel like I'm trying to run in a dream. Everything. Okay, so Roblox as a game in general, I'll give it a 3 out of 5. Not because I played a lot, but just because I like the creative aspect. As for the performance of the fake 14 Pro Max, I'm going to give that phone a flat 2 out of 5. Okay, let's move to the next game, and holy crap, it is -1 degrees Fahrenheit in the city I live in. Well, I won't be going outside anytime soon. Okay, next up is Freefire. Let's see if it can run. Here we go. As you can see, the game launched successfully, and I'm glad that it did because most smartphones can run Freefire. It just depends on how smoothly they can do it. So far, it seems pretty dang good. Now, I looked in the settings of this fake 14 Pro Max, and it says it's running Android 12, but I don't trust that because all of the specs have been off. So whatever it's running, it seems to be running Freefire smoothly so far, but let's get into some gameplay and see if anything changes. I skipped ahead quite a bit, but I hit the jackpot. Oh, hello, sir! Are you ready to meet your maker? Oh my gosh, I suck so bad at this. Come on! Come on, brother! Oh. I got him, and that was ugly. That was very ugly. Say hello to my little friend. Wait a minute. Why is this so easy? I think I'm in a robot lobby or something. If there's robot lobbies or like I'm in a bot lobby, I know it's the same with Call of Duty Mobile. Comment below because this is weird. Or maybe I'm just really good. I'm zoomed in right here just to show you guys the screen resolution if you decide to buy a piece of crap fake 14 Pro Max. Uh-oh, we're closing in on the perimeter. I don't know how I haven't lost yet, but I am having a lot of fun, that's for sure. In the end, the fake 14 Pro Max performed well enough where I was actually able to win a round of Free Fire. Now time for me to give Free Fire a rating as a game. I would say 4 out of 5, just because it's a fun online game similar to Call of Duty and PUBG, at least on mobile. Now, as for the fake 14 Pro Max and its performance, I'm going to say 4 out of 5. There wasn't any lag and it performed pretty okay, so yeah. Okay, so there it is. Next up is going to be a Minecraft. I'm unsure if this is going to launch. It looks like it's launching at a fair speed. Very good, piece of crap iPhone 14 Pro Max.
Looks like it's loaded. Okay. We're in and we're digging and collecting cubes.
Now, I don't play Minecraft, nor have I ever played Minecraft, but I think it's impressive that Minecraft has even launched. So that's pretty sweet, if you ask me. Okay, let's go collect our dirt here. Oh, picked it up pretty easily. Oh, look at the sun. This is actually kind of cool. Maybe I should start playing Minecraft. I think I need to connect a controller to make this easier, but yes. Okay! We are building a building. Huh, okay, this is a cool concept. I've played Minecraft for like 3 seconds in other videos, but we're just building stuff. This is pretty awesome. I'm just building a building. I like it. There's a random dog growling at me. I've been trying to like figure out. It just killed me. It was bound to happen. By the way, how do you eliminate a wolf on Minecraft? Do you like dig a hole and let it run into that? That would make sense. Comment below how you eliminate a Minecraft wolf, because I have no idea. Time for my rating of Minecraft as a game. I wouldn't play it. I don't find it fun. I mean, it's cool and catchy, but I don't see myself playing Minecraft. So, I wouldn't play it, but I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5 because of the creative aspect. Now, as for the gameplay with the fake iPhone 14 piece of crap Max, I'm also going to say 4 out of 5 because it didn't really lag. If there's other ways for me to test Minecraft, comment below and I'll make a short of it and show you guys its performance. So, that's my rating. On to the next, baby. So, my favorite mobile game is Call of Duty Mobile. I even connected my Xbox wireless controller for this, but whenever I launched Call of Duty Mobile, I got this notification that there was a network error. I tried it twice over the span of 45 minutes, and I couldn't get over it. I thought it was a storage issue. I deleted all the apps. Yes, I deleted every app on the phone because I thought there was insufficient storage, but that didn't solve it either. So that was pretty disappointing that I couldn't play Call of Duty Mobile on this piece of crap 14 Pro Max. Call of Duty is my second favorite mobile game. I'm about to reveal my first in the next clip. But I would give Call of Duty Mobile a 4 out of 5. Simply because I don't like how much data it takes to launch Call of Duty Mobile. If you haven't launched it for a month or so, it takes like 10 minutes for that thing to get up and going. And that's on my that's on like an iPad. I couldn't imagine this thing. If it launched Call of Duty Mobile, it would be a train wreck. I've played Call of Duty forever. It was like one of the only games I played growing up other than Madden. I didn't really grow up with a console. I only grew up with mobile gaming like a PSP, Game Boy, Game Boy Color, etc., etc. As for the rating for the 14 Pro crap, I'm going to give it a fat 0 out of 5 stars just because I couldn't even launch the game, dude. I mean, God. Anyways, that's that. Now, this is my favorite mobile game, which probably doesn't even count, but it is a Game Boy Color emulator. I think it is so cool. And this is likely because I grew up on the Game Boy system as my primary, in quotations, console growing up. I didn't have normal consoles, and I still don't as a 28-year-old. So I love the Game Boy Color emulator I found for this, and you can actually find lots of different emulators, but for this, I used this app right here. It's called My Old Boy. The app, I would give it a 5 out of 5, and for the performance on this phone, I would also give it a 5 out of 5. But I know my audience, and I don't think anyone's going to be interested in retro gameplay. If you do, comment below. I love it, and it's what I grew up on. Now, a question I get on most of my videos with many different smartphones is, but can it run Doom? And for the 14 Pro crap, fortunately, it can run Doom. And it actually runs it pretty dang well. Now, for this gameplay, I actually had to turn the lights off because I could not get a good angle on the recording, and it just worked better with the lights off. So I hope this is sufficient for you guys. Now, I have something really weird to admit, and that is that I've never actually beat a level of Doom. The reason I have Doom is because everybody asks me, but can it run Doom? With pretty much every video. So I've gotten the paid version to show you guys that it works. I think it's pretty awesome that it works, and I have a ton of fun playing Doom. So, that's great. Now it's time for me to give a rating of Doom as a game in general. I know I didn't do it for the Game Boy Color, but it's just because it's such an easy 5 out of 5. And fortunately for Doom, because it's such a legendary game, it's going to be the same. It's a 5 out of 5. As for the performance of the 14 Pro crap and Doom, I'm going to have to also give it a 5 out of 5. It played fantastic. There was no lag. There was no wait time for the game to load. It was actually pretty impressive, not gonna lie. So although everything about this smartphone is atrocious, including the App Store, which opens the Google Play Store, as well as FaceTime, which leads to a Duo application and Google Meets, Apple Music, which leads to YouTube Music, and don't forget the 1 out of 3 cameras that is actually real. Although this is the fakest piece of crap iPhone 14 Pro Max that I've ever seen, one thing is for sure, and that's that you could mobile game on this to some capacity. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.